Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleansing the skin so the patch adheres. Oil prevents contact, so use a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Once done, place the foil pack in the fridge for 10-20 minutes to boost vasoconstriction and calm puffiness. Now lie back and, one at a time, remove the patch and align the thicker edge below the inner corner. Press outward along the orbital bone so it sits flat and seals light. This reduces migration and maximizes active ingredient contact. You should smooth each patch to eliminate air pockets because close contact drives ingredient transfer. Use gentle strokes from center outward. Then relax for 10-15 minutes so peptides, hyaluronic acid, or caffeine penetrate. Moving too much shortens efficacy. If a corner lifts, press it down with a chilled spoon or gua sha for a few seconds to reseal the adhesive and maintain temperature. While you rest, breathe slowly. Cold and ingredients work together. When time's up, peel patches off slowly toward the outer edge so you don't tug delicate skin. Then pat remaining serum inward with your ring finger to aid absorption. Make sure to follow with a lightweight moisturizer and apply SPF if it's daytime, because actives can increase light sensitivity. If you notice redness or stinging, rinse with cool water and pause use. Do a small patch test on the jawline before trying again. If swelling persists, consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.